Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Spursh and you're watching the Coding Corner. So, today we'll start with the Python tutorial series for beginners. And in this video, we'll cover the introduction to Python, its applications, and a syllabus walkthrough. So, please watch till the end. You might find out different facts about Python and enjoy. If you are an intermediate or advanced Python developer and feel that some topics are missing or not properly presented, do let us know in the comment section below. We welcome your suggestions. So, without wasting time, let's dive right into it. Before getting into the nitty-gritty details of Python, let us first see when and how it all started. Just a short history about Python. It was first introduced to the world in 1991 by Guido van Rossum, and Python was released as a successor to the language ABC. Now, don't worry, don't get panicked by the language names right from now onwards. If you do not know anything about programming, no issues at all. You'll feel comfortable in this tutorial series as we are gonna cover everything right from the scratch. Moving ahead, the recent stable release as per May 2020 is 3.8.2. Python has various inbuilt features and hence it is suitable for multi-paradigm programming as well. Furthermore, Python is also suitable for OOP, that is, object-oriented programming, to a great extent. Object-oriented programming is very much useful to make use of the code to its fullest possible potential by reusing it. Alright, the most important concern of Python is that it is indentation based. That is, if not intended properly, the Python statements might be misinterpreted. Don't worry, you'll understand the importance of indentation once we get started with the code. For now, just have a look at this little code pic here. As you can see that after some of the lines, there is a spacing before starting the code. So, that's where the indentation is used. So, after all this introduction, this boring introduction, why in the world would you want to learn Python? Well, it is the most popular programming language in 2019 and 2020, as you can see in the growth chart right here. Also, it is a great application in machine learning and artificial intelligence, which is nowadays in great use. It is very easy to use, and you know what? While programming in Python, you'll find that it is just as simple as writing statements in English. If you're not into just programming for ML, AI and stuff, no worries. Python is also available in the web development field. Some of its frameworks which are widely used are Django and Flask. If you are much interested in business or analytics stuff, where your favorite domain is measuring the profits, losses, predicting the upcoming sales, etc., Python gives you an opportunity to show your talent there as well. Also, you can learn some GUI applications provided by Python, such as PyQt, and many more applications are available out there. So, in this tutorial series, these are the topics that you are going to learn. If you are already a programmer in some other language, but you are new to Python, you'll understand the need of these topics to learn Python. Don't worry if you are a beginner in programming. Once we get ahead with learning, you'll go on understanding the importance of these topics. Alright, so that was it. I hope you gained some overview on what is Python, why to learn Python, and what is going to be covered in the tutorial series. If you have any doubts regarding this video, feel free to leave a DM on our Instagram or join our Discord server. We'll surely reply to your queries. The links are given in the description box below. If you think that we can better ourselves, do leave your opinion in the comment section below. We welcome suggestions. The little improvements suggested by you might positively affect the learning curve of many of your peers. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you're always on your path of progress. Do like the video if you liked it and share it with your friends so that they can even learn a new skill right away. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and happy coding.